Hi viewers, welcome to Super Gadgets. Today I am going to unbox and review exceptional earphones, Wizard Kylin HE01, designed by Junction Idea. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon, then click to all to get all notifications of my interesting videos. Today's video is going to be a bit long, but I hope you will like it and you will get a lot of information about new technology earphones. So don't skip this video and watch it till the end. Box is looking premium and take a look on specifications mentioned on the box. Model number Kylin HE01. Driver 4th generation, wire core 5N OFC, dynamic frequency response 2240 kHz. Driver sensitivity 112 dB over MW, maximum SPD 107 dB over MW. Distortion maximum 3%, 101 dB, so it means it will give you a premium sound quality. Impedance 18 ohm. Let's start unboxing. Here are our earbuds. Here are some documents. Here is a premium case with branding of Kylin. Then 6 pair of ear tips. These are not just only rubber ear tips, these are made of liquid silicone material with average hardness as low as 20 HSD. These are soft and soundproof, which makes them unique. And here is wire to connect earbuds. Amazing thing is that we can use it with wire or we can use through Bluetooth. It's totally up to you in which way you like. I will show you both ways use of this in my video. Let's talk about some special feature, then we will move on to review. Bright series of dual cavity drive units, metal film and polymer diaphragm taking full and elastic strong magnetic element of the diaphragm can reproduce clear and smooth voice and dynamic frequency. HD alloy front cavity is also an important condition to block resonance, thus making the overall performance of the diaphragm suitable for the performance requirements of high resolution. Equipped with high definition sound standards, this earphone is equipped with the latest HDSS system with multiple optimizations to make the details clear and sound stereo more realistic. Let's start review. These are made with high quality transparent material. Also you can see here diaphragm. Here is the logo of Wizard and here is plug, so you can connect with wire or Bluetooth. You can make it a wire headset or Bluetooth. Both can be used. but you need to purchase Bluetooth separately. In the box you will only get a wire to connect with this. Design of these earphones is really impressive. Transparent design looks great. As you can see here, high magnetic circuit metal composite moving coil unit. Carefully crafted custom dynamic coil. Using the Vizor 4th generation Bright series of custom moving coils units, the unit size reaches 10.2 mm, achieving a more natural low frequency response. The composite diaphragm and the large magnetic flux of about 1.2 Tesla bring a natural and clean sound bottom and field performance. The low resistance and high sensitivity design gives high quality of dynamic performance under different front ends. HE01 is equipped with HDDSS acoustic filtering system using its patented acoustic technology, which vastly improves the sense of sound density and transparency, creating a clear and mellow listening atmosphere. Now check the wire of these earphones. Size is 120 cm. This is standard audiophile grade wire. Good wires no longer toss. HE01 comes standard with 5N OFC oxygen-free copper wire, 4 standards of 80 high-quality wire bases, equipped with pure manual weaving plus factory inspection, and it clean produce good sound without changing wires. Standard 0.78 2-pin interface, covered base design. The wire interface is more durable and has a higher third-party wire compatibility. Kylin brand custom plug design. Beautiful and practical connector details. You will fall in love with the plug and pull free when used. You will fall in love with the plug and pull free when used. 3.5mm audio jack. You can check the quality. It is so amazing that words fell short to describe it. Here are plugs to connect with earbuds. Now connect with phone and check the sound quality. I will also listen and share my review on this. Now connect with Bluetooth wire. I have Vizer AM2 to connect with this. Vizer AM2 video is coming soon, so don't miss it. You have heard and I have also listened to it. Sound is amazing. I check with different tracks. Sound quality is super. Vocals, bass, stereo, each and everything is astonishing. Its design is very comfy to wear. Let's talk about the price. Price of HE01 is around 75 USD. I will give you link in the description of Vizer official store. You can also see official store of Vizer here. If you send a message to seller, you will get a link from Super Gadgets, so you can avail discount and get a free gift of Vizer Junction Idea bag. Price of gift is around 15 USD. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question regarding this video, you can ask in comment section below. I will reply you soon. I hope you like this video, so hit the like button and show your love on subscribe button by clicking on bell icon. Keep supporting me for more informative videos. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter. Links are given below in the description. Meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.